Welcome back to
Hey guys, we'll be back again to this new video tutorial with the OSP Pro. In this video tutorial, simple guys, I'm going to show you how can you connect MySQL with PHP. Now guys, I know I've given some good videos for MySQL. If this is your first time to hear this, to hear from me guys, I would request you go to my channel or just check on my videos. You'll be seeing the thumbnails ever blue, and make sure guys you just actually happen to go to my video and subscribe for more videos. Now let us just see today how can we connect MySQL with PHP. Now before talking anything more, just make sure you have XAMPP in your machine or WAMP server and Apache is running. Make sure Apache is running and MySQL is running, because those are the two languages we are going to deal with at the moment. So you come in here and create the first file. Now I would like us to let you know this guys, because I know you're going to make the mistakes. You're going to ask yourself, where mainly am I going to save my information? Is it in a desktop or where? Now make sure whenever you're dealing with the XAMPP, like me guys, I'm dealing with the XAMPP. Make sure when you go to where you install your XAMPP program software, come to the XAMPP, go inside the XAMPP. I said go where XAMPP is, then go where they say htdocs, and then inside htdocs, that's where actually you can create a folder and where your program will be. Mine is inside the projects and it's called the PHP YouTube. This is where my program is going to be, that empty space folder. So inside here, just come and create. I'm going to actually to create a new file. Which new file? I'm going to actually call it what known as index. In this case, index.php. Sorry, index.php. And I'm just going to generate HTML files, forms like that, and I'll just maybe how to connect PHP with MySQL. So I'm mainly here, I'm going to use MySQL and I'll show us another video how to create when you're mainly just using MySQL, plain MySQL. I may not actually happen to give any information within here the program. I'm just going to leave it for the meantime. Now let me save this, and actually I happen to go the other side. Okay, let me just even try to say give it here down so that guys don't get confused out. And I'm just going to type here how to connect MySQL with PHP. So those are the few codes that guys you have to do. Then create another folder, which folder is going to be having actually your database connection. Now let us first, actually I'm going to just call this one known as a server.php. Let be the server page, and that server page is what you actually going to mainly have the connection. Now before proceeding and before going far, what's the database name that actually you want to connect to this data, to this website or to this system you're maybe trying to make? So you have also to go down here. Actually I have this is from phpMyAdmin. Just type localhost, then you go to phpMyAdmin. It will take you straight to this platform. Now here, this is a database I'm going to connect into, which is called test. So let me just go down here in my server page. I'm just going to declare my variable, which actually I have to open up PHP. Going to open PHP. So this is where my PHP code is going to be going into. And in this way, actually, I'm going to create my server, and I'm just going to go straight equals to actually what known as MySQL connect. I'm using MySQL so I'm going to just use MySQL connect like that. So that's what actually I'm going to be using at the moment. So come inside here. What's the first parameter here? It's called localhost. Then what next do we have? We also have one known as the root, which is the username, and we shall also have the password, which is empty because I'm using XAMPP and I didn't set the password. And then also come here, what's the database name, which is called test. So that's the few things that actually I'm going to be actually giving my program. Then down here, I'm going to test if the connection is not successful. I'm just going to give what known as the I may use, say I'm going to use some logic there, and I say if DB is not connected, what should the program tell me, or what should it throw for us? I would like it to actually to echo for me MySQL error. So I may just type here what known as MySQL I, or what known as MySQL error straight like that. Then down here I'll just type what known as echo. I would like it to echo for us that connection failed. Connection failed. That implies in this case around, if at all I'm not connected, I expect it to throw for me an error. Then I have to go to the else condition. What if it is connected? I would like it to give me what known as a success here. So I'll just type here what known as that connection is successful, or you're connected successfully. Connection is successful. So if I need to transfer this information, to include this information of this page here to the index page, which is I can simply say your own page, you have to include here what known as the session, which session is going to transmit, is going to take the other information. Actually, you have to say what on a session start. You have to begin a session, whereby this statement here is going to pick this information and take it to this side by including now here in this case include what known as the server. So this is what actually I'm going to be having here. That's it. So you come in here and type one known as include. What are you trying to include in the program here? We are including the server. So you type here, simply come in here and type one known as server.php. So what am I trying to mean in this moment? Let me just try to explain for you codes as guys I'm winding up. Now this, we have already connected our database, and I would like to transmit what's in this information, this server part of the database, to the index part of the database. So come in here and you start one as the server, and as you start the server, you are trying to tell the server that I would like us to be part of this information of my database. And you guys also, what you should be very keen of is that what make people most cases make a mistake. They tend to forget to close what known as the PHP contacts or PHP codes to show PHP where it ends. Make sure when you're dealing with HTML codes, make sure that PHP is closed. Then this side around, you can even leave this PHP without closing. Why? Is because you are dealing mainly only with the PHP around in these codes around here. So guys, that's what I can simply tell you at the moment. Let us just now go to the browser and cross check for the connection if it is successful. So I'll just type your localhost and it's called YouTube. Wow, just type here. So the stuff is just called YouTube, and I think you can see it's telling us connection is successful. What if this connection is not successful? By me just turning up this, I turn up this database name and I call it, give it just 123. Maybe that's the database name I've changed, which database name for sure does not exist in this program, or there's some problem in the connection. So what will it echo for us? It has to give us what known as it has to echo for us this and telling us the database you're trying to talk about does not exist in this connection on this program. And as you can see also down here, it's telling us that connection failed. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to OSP channel. Don't forget guys to subscribe to my channel for more helpful video in MySQL and PHP. And you guys who are new in programming, I would request you guys, I have a lot of videos that I've made for MySQL right from the scratch, and I would request you guys go and watch them so that you get to know MySQL programming. And then I'm also now, since I'm starting with you guys PHP with MySQL, I think we shall be having a good humble time. So thank you guys for watching.